cheerful morning to my lovely kids. How are you all? Good? Fine? I'm also good, beta. This is your mathematics class and I'm your mathematics teacher. Dear kids, as we have completed chapter 2, so today we are going to start chapter 3 Roman numerals. Before going to the exercise and before going for writing the numbers in Roman numerals, I want to introduce the important rules of writing Roman numerals so that you will understand those rules and you will yourself able to write down the numbers in Roman numerals. So come, let's begin the class. Dear kids, this is our chapter 3 Roman numerals. Have you ever noticed these symbols? आपने इन symbols को पहले कहीं देखा है? Like the symbols are there in the clock and here a symbol is written on the board and here one more symbol is there in the book. So have you seen these symbols before? What do these symbols represent and how are they different from the numbers we use? See, we know that clock has numbers 1 to 12, but here the writing pattern of the number is different. Yes, and this different pattern is known as Roman numerals. These are Roman numerals and these were invented by the Romans many years ago. Why they called Roman numerals? Because these symbols were invented by the Romans many years ago. Though they are not as simple as the Hindu-Arabic numerals. Hindu-Arabic numerals are what? The counting we are using in our day-to-day life. They are not as simple as our counting, but we still use them in our everyday life. They are not as simple, but we still use them in our day-to-day life. The Romans used 7 letters of the English alphabet to represent numbers. What they did, they used English alphabets to represent the numbers. Yes, now I think you are taking more interest because you are getting to know something different. So now I will tell you how they are connected with Hindu-Arabic numeral. In Hindu-Arabic numeral we write 1 like this and in Roman numeral 1 is I. In Hindu-Arabic numeral we write 5 like this and in Roman numeral the symbol of 5 is V. In our counting, we write 10 like 1 and 0. But in Roman numeral, we write 10 as X. In our counting, 50 is 50. But in Roman numeral, it is L. 100 is represented as C in Roman numeral. 500 is represented D as D in Roman numeral. And 1000 is represented as M in Roman numeral. Beta, like we have total 10 digits and by compiling those 10 digits we can make endless numbers. In the same manner in Roman numeral we have these 7 symbols and by using these 7 symbols in different manners we can make endless counting. We can make any number by using these 7 symbols. So these 7 symbols are the foundation of Roman numeral. But there is a thing, there is no symbol for 0 in this system. Yes, in Roman numeral there is no symbol which can represent 0 alone. All the other numbers are written as different combinations of these symbols. And yes, we combine different symbols to write different numbers. Now in this chapter, we will work on numbers from 1 to 39. Now beta, let's understand the rules of the Roman numerals. Now rule 1. Symbols I and X can be repeated maximum 3 times to form a number. See beta, everywhere there are some liberties and some restrictions. In Roman numerals also, yes, you can use these 7 symbols and you can generate endless counting, but there are some limitations also, that you cannot use a symbol more than 3 times. The maximum usage of a symbol can be up to 3 times only. आप रोमन काउंटिंग में किसी भी सिंबल को 3 से ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं कर सकते हो. सो वी विल राइट 1 as I, 1 plus 1 2, so 2I will be there, 1 plus 1 plus 1, so 3I will be there. Now you will think how we will write 4, because we cannot repeat a symbol more than 3 times. Yes beta, in our upcoming rules it will come how we will write 4. Now our second rule is there is no concept of place value system in Roman numeral system. Yes beta, in Roman numeral there is no concept of place value. Symbols V, L and D cannot be repeated more than once. Beta, we just have studied in rule 1 that symbol I and X can be repeated up to 3 times. Yes, it is true. But symbols V, L and D cannot be repeated more than once. These 3 symbols are those symbols which can be write once only. Now in fourth rule, it is giving answer how to write 4. A symbol of smaller value before a symbol of greater value means subtract smaller from greater. See beta, whensoever there is a smaller symbol on the left hand side of the greater symbol. See here now what these two symbols are. V stands for 5 and I stands for 1. Now I is on the left side of V. I is smaller and it is on the left side of V. So this means that here I is being subtracted from 5. And if we will subtract 1 from 5, so what will be the answer? 4. Yes, so we will write 4 in this manner. This will be the compiled symbol for 4, which is IV. Now same will happen for 9 also. Now here the symbols are written I and X, and yes, X is 10, I is 1. So 10 is bigger and 1 is smaller. Again the smaller symbol is there on the left hand side of the bigger symbol. So yes, again it is being subtracted. 1 is being subtracted from 10. So the answer is 9. So we will write 9 like Ix. So beta, whensoever you will find a smaller symbol on the left side of the greater symbol, it will always be subtracted from the greater symbol. Now fifth rule is saying a symbol of smaller value after a symbol of greater value means add smaller to greater. Yes, see, if you were having smaller symbol on the left hand side, it was being subtracted. Now opposite of it, if you will have smaller symbol on the right hand side of the greater symbol, then it will be add. Here V is greater and I is smaller. V is 5 and I is 1. So now I is on the right hand side, so it will add in V, and 5 plus 1 6. So we will write 6 like VI. Now beta, same will be happen for 11 also. Again here X is bigger, X is 10 and I is smaller, I is 1. Now I is on the right hand side of the X, so it will 10 plus 1 11. Yes, so we will write 11 as XI. Now using a combination of the symbols I, V and X, we can write numbers up to 39. As we can see some examples here, like XII. X means what? 10 and II means what? 2. So 10 plus 2 equals to 12. So we will write 12 in this manner. Now this is XIV. Now X is 10 and IV. Again the smaller symbol is there before the greater symbol, so it will subtract 5 minus 1, and 5 minus 1 is 4. So xiv is 10 plus 4, which is 14. So beta, now we are moving to our activity 1. Our activity 1 is saying, first question is saying complete the following tables. Some symbols are given to you and some you need to write. See beta, 1. 1 is what? I. So we will write I here. Now 2 will be 2i, 3 will be 3i. What will be 4? We can't repeat a number more than 3 times, a symbol more than 3 times. So 4 will be 5 minus 1. And what will be the position of the smaller symbol to get subtracted? Yes, it should be on the left side. So first we will write I, then we will write V. IV. This means I is being subtracted from V. So it is 4. Now V is 5. Now VI is 6. 7 will be VII. 8 will be VIII. Now again for 9 beta, we can't repeat a symbol more than 3 times. So again we will follow. First we will write X. X is 10. Now for 9 we need to subtract 1 from 10. So we will write I on the left side of X. So it is, now it is IX and it is 9. And for 10 it is X. Now beta, for 11, 10 plus 1 will be 11. So X plus I will be, XI will be 11. XII will be 12. XIII will be 13. So you will complete this table yourself. Now beta, coming to question number 2, write the Hindu Arabic numeral for. Here Roman symbols are given to us and we need to write Hindu Arabic numeral, means counting for that. Now see beta, X is what? 10. So we will write 10 here. Plus, now X is what? 10. So we will write 10 here. Now plus IV is what? 4. So XXI will be 10 plus 10 plus 4. So it will be 24. Now next again, X is what? 10. Plus again X is there, X is what? 10. And now V is there, V means 5. So 10 plus 10 plus 5 is 25. So we will write here 25. In the same manner kids, you will complete this second question, rest of the parts of second question yourself. Kids, today we have completed activity 1 of chapter 3 Roman numerals. So your homework is to complete activity 1 of chapter 3 in your book and revise carefully all the rules of Roman numerals. Be safe, be happy at your home. Goodbye.